Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to start a print-on-demand t-shirt business with no money. Doing print-on-demand can be a good way to make some money online from the comfort of your home. To get started, you'll need two platforms. The first platform is printful.com, and this is the platform that we are going to be uploading our design on, and we are going to be choosing the t-shirt that we'd like to add our design on. So they are going to be dealing with all of the printing and all of the labor. All we'll be doing is simply adding our design. The second platform that I want you to sign up to is Equid, and Equid is going to be our storefront. So Printful is going to deal with all of the printing, and Equin is going to be the storefront that we are going to be adding our products to, that we are going to be promoting to our potential customers. And with Equin, you'll be able to get a free plan forever, as you can see right here. The only pullback with this free plan is you will only be able to add 5 items. So if you plan on adding more than 5 items, I would recommend that you go up to their venture plan, or you can use other platforms like Wix and Shopify. But with those platforms, you'll have to start off on the paid plan to start collecting money. This is why I recommend Equin if you are just getting started. So you're going to go on to printful.com, and you can sign up using your email address or your Facebook account. And I recommend that you use the same email address to sign up onto Printful and also onto Equin. Once you have signed up to both platforms, what I want you to do next, once you're on printful.com, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, and from here we can tap on Product Templates. After tapping on Product Templates, we'll be redirected to this page. And from here, next thing you're going to do, you're going to tap on Create Product. After you have tapped on Create Product, you'll be led to this page. And from here, you're going to tap in the Search Product bar. And you're going to type in T-shirts. So let's do that real quick. Once you have typed in T-shirts, you're going to see numerous recommendations. You can select the style that you want. So let's say, for example, this one right here. And by the way, with Printful, you can add your design on numerous items, whether it is hoodies, whether it is mugs, or so on. You can do that. Once you have selected the t-shirt that you would like to add it to, the next thing you're going to do is go over to the left-hand menu option. From here, you can choose to upload your designs by tapping on Uploads. And by the way, you can create your designs using canva.com. This is a free platform that allows even a complete beginner to create designs that will look eye-catching. All you'll need to do is type in the type of design that you would like to create in the search bar right here, and you will see different templates. If you don't want to make your own design and you have some money, you could go onto Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is a freelancing platform that you can find freelancers, as the name suggests, for $5. So you can see different freelancers right here. All you'll need to do is type in t-shirt design. Then you can scroll down, and once you have found one to your liking, you could select that, and then you could contact the freelancer and ask him to create a particular design of your liking. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now is go back onto Printful, and from there you could upload your design. Or if you simply want to add text, you could tap on text right here, and you could create your text. If you would prefer to use clip art, you could tap on clip art, and you could search through their clip art library. So for example, let's say I wanted to use this, I could simply tap on it, as I like this particular clip art. So all I would need to do is tap on it right there, and it will be added, as you can see right here. You can see that it has now been added, and then you can increase the size. So let me increase the size real quick. So all you'll need to do is simply pull on the box right here, and you can see that it is a bit bigger now. Once it is to my liking, I'll simply tap on Save the Template in the bottom right hand corner. And you can see that the template has now been created. Now you're going to tap on Add to Store. After you have tapped on Add to Store, you would be redirected to a new page, and from here you could select your store. But let me go back real quick. Since I've created a store before, that is why it is not showing me that particular option. So let me show you what you would need to do. You are going to go over to the left hand menu option. You are going to tap on Stores right here. Once you have tapped on Stores, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, all you'll need to do now, you are going to tap on Choose Platform. After you have tapped on Choose Platform, what I need you to do is scroll down and you're going to tap on Connect Equine. Once you have tapped on Connect Equine, it is going to automatically open up your Equine page. And from there, you're going to be asked to download the Printful app. So all you'll need to do is download and install the Printful app from the Equine App Store. It is going to lead you through that. Once you have downloaded the Printful app, the next thing you're going to need to do, once you're on this dashboard again, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option. And from the left-hand menu option, you will tap on Catalog. Then from there, you're going to select Printful. After you have selected Printful, you're going to be redirected to the Printful dashboard on your Equine page. Then from here, all I would want you to do is simply scroll down and you're going to see the option to add products. You're going to tap on that. Or you could select product templates from the top menu option. Product templates, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see the product that you had created earlier. You're going to simply tap on the box right there. Then you're going to tap on Add to Store. Once you have tapped on Add to Store, you'll be redirected to this dashboard and you can choose the colors that you would like to add your design to, or you could tap on Select All Colors. So it will be added onto all colors, so your customers would have numerous options as you can see right here, but you can only have 100 variants, so I won't be selecting all colors. So let me simply select this. So I'll give them the option of 4 different colors. Once you have done that, you're going to scroll down and then you're going to tap on Proceed to Mockups. Once you have tapped on Proceed to Mockups, you're going to scroll back up and from here you can tap on Basic Mockups, or you can choose to create custom mockups if you want. For this example, I'll choose Basic Mockups. After you have tapped on Basic Mockups, you will see different mockups that you can choose right here. So whichever one is to your liking, you can choose it. So let's say this one right here, I'll tap on it. And you can see it right there. So I'm going to be using it as my main image. All you'll need to do now is scroll back down, then you're going to tap on Continue. Once you have tapped on Continue, you're going to scroll back up and from here you can see your product title, so you can edit the title. You can also edit the description if you want. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on Continue once more. And then you're going to scroll back up and you can edit the pricing to your liking. So you can see your estimated revenue right here and you can see how much it will be sold for. If you would like to increase the price, you can increase the price right here by simply increasing the percentage. So let's say we would want a 15% increase. We type in 15%, then tap on Set, then scroll down and we're going to tap on Submit to Store. Once it has been submitted to the store, the product will be added, as you can see right there, adding new product to store. So once the product has been added, you could tap on Products right here. Now that the product has been added, you could go over to the left-hand menu option and you could tap on Products and you'll be able to view the products, or you'll be able to view it also in Printful by tapping on Products. The next thing I want you to do once you have added your products, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Payments. Once you have tapped on payment, I want you to set up your Stripe account. So you're going to tap on connect and enable. Then you are going to scroll down and you can set up your Square account also, and you can also add your PayPal account. By adding these payment options, you'll be giving your potential customers more options to pay with. And with this, they'll be able to pay easier, and with this you'll also increase your chances of getting a sale and in turn increase your conversion rate. If you'd like to make any changes to how your website look, all you would need to do is tap on design from the left hand menu option, and from there you can change how the product page looks, and you can edit numerous other options. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.